What if I told you that your personal statement could be the key to getting into your dream university? Writing a personal statement is your big chance to show universities who you are beyond grades and test scores. Today, I'll walk you through a simple approach to writing a personal statement that feels genuine and leaves a strong impression. Quick intro before we jump in. I'm Mihai, husband, father, and founder of Enrollmate, and in the past year we've helped hundreds of students just like you to tackle their personal statements with confidence. And I know this might feel like one of the most challenging parts of the application process, but the good news is it doesn't have to be. If you're feeling stuck or want some extra support, reach out to us anytime. We're here to help you make this university journey extremely easy. Alright, let's dive into those steps. To make your personal statement memorable, we are breaking it down into three main parts. First, starting with a strong and unique opening, then highlighting key experiences, and finally connecting everything to your passion for the course. Each part built on the other, giving the admissions team a real sense of who you are. Ready? Let's get into it. Your opening is where you grab their attention. Right from the start, it's easy to feel tempted to start with something like, I've always been interested in. But instead, think about what led you to this field. Was there a specific experience, moment, or idea that sparked your interest? Let's imagine you are applying for a business degree. A strong opening might look something like, I've always been fascinated by the way business grow from an idea to a global brand. Last summer, I interned at a local startup and watched their team strategize and make decisions to increase their reach. It was an eye-opener. It confirmed my passion for business and my goal to learn how to make smart, impactful choices in competitive environments. See how this opening immediately shares something specific and memorable? It gives the reader a glimpse into your personal journey. This shows curiosity and invites the reader to understand why you are drawn to this area. With a strong opening in place, let's move on to the body of your statement, where you highlight your experiences that make you ideal candidate for this course. The body of your personal statement should focus on key experiences that have prepared you for this course. Think of this as a spotlight on your journey so far. This could be anything from a project or a class to an extracurricular activity or volunteer work. Let's say you are applying for a business management program and you've worked part-time in a retail store. You might say, my job in retail taught me the importance of understanding customer needs and adapting to changing demands. I learned that successful businesses are built on relationships and customer trust, which has inspired me to study business and improve my understanding of what makes a company thrive. This doesn't just list skills, it shows you what you learned and how it shaped your goals. And if you're interested in marketing and led a social media campaign for a school club, you could say, creating a social media campaign from our student council elections taught me how to engage an audience XYZ. Now that you've shared your interests and experiences, let's bring it all together with the final section, showing your passion for the course and how it fits into your future. In this last part, connect your story and achievements to your future goals and why this course is essential for you. Think about what you're excited to learn and where this knowledge could take you. For example, if you're applying for a business degree, you might say, I want to develop the skills to launch my own business one day, creating solutions that positively impact people's lives. This shows the admissions team that you are focused on your future and how this course will help you achieve it. Or maybe you're interested in business analytics. You could say, this course offers hands-on experience with data analysis and strategic decision making, skills I know are essential to understand business performance and making data-driven choices. Okay, to recap, here's a powerful three-part approach for a strong personal statement. Start with memorable opening, highlight key experiences, and wrap it up by showing your passion and future goals. This approach keeps your statement focused, genuine, and gives universities a clear picture of who you are. Your personal statement is more than just a part of your application. It's your chance to tell your story. So make it unique to you. Start with a powerful opening, highlighting the experiences that matter, and at the end it by sharing your vision for the future. And remember, this is your story to tell. Let it be as genuine and exciting as you are. And if you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights and guidance on university applications. And if you need personalized help with your personal statement, reach out to us at Enrollment. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for joining, and I wish you all the best with your applications.